Men's underwear white background picture hanger 2026 version. Transparent fishing line suspension. New waist rack design. Loosen the butterfly nut. To adjust the waist width, damping angle adjuster. Adjust the slope of the waist width. This is a strong magnet. This is a foam hemisphere and acrylic strip attached to the magnet to obtain a good three-dimensional effect. It reduces the workload of retouching. The crotch has multiple nuts, can be disassembled and adjusted in width. The telescopic rod can easily adjust the crotch height. The side expansion rod can also be easily adjusted in length, or remove the telescopic rod and install a short nut. It can shoot special styles like thong. This is boxers. Loosen the screw of the crotch. Remove the triangle crotch lever. Install this crotch and tighten the screws to fix it. There are silicone sections here, which can be used to fix the fabric and improve styling efficiency.